Unit 11.
Approach. Approach is a verb. To approach is to come close to begin to deal with, or to make a request. We watched the brand new train approach the station. Now you say the word approach. Approach. Approach is a noun. An approach is coming close to something or someone, a way to deal with something or someone, or a way of reaching a place. The approach of spring makes many people giddy. Now you say the word approach. Approve. Approve is a verb. To approve means to have a high opinion of or to give permission. My parents approve of my loyal friends. Now you say the word approve. Approve. Glory. Glory is a noun. Glory is great honor or praise given by others, or great beauty. Can anything match the glory of a sunset? Now you say the word glory. Glory. Magnificent. Magnificent is an adjective. Magnificent means very grand and fine, remarkably beautiful or outstanding. The Taj Mahal in India is a magnificent building. Now you say the word magnificent. Magnificent. Meek. Meek is an adjective. Meek means not courageous or strong. I felt meek and did not speak loudly enough. Now you say the word meek. Meek. Prompt. Prompt is an adjective. Prompt means on time or done quickly and without delay. They answered the invitation in a prompt manner. Now you say the word prompt. Prompt. Prompt is a verb. To prompt is to move someone to action or to remind someone what to do or what to say. I had to prompt my friend to make the call. Now you say the word prompt. Revive. Revive is a verb. To revive is to bring or come back to life. The nurse tried to revive the patient. Now you say the word revive. Revive. Tradition. Tradition is a noun. A tradition is a custom, belief, or idea that has been passed down over time. Celebrating with the 4th of July parade is a tradition in many towns and cities. Now you say the word tradition. Tradition. Watchful. Watchful is an adjective. Watchful means always noticing what is happening or aware. A scout must be silent and watchful. Now you say the word watchful. Watchful. Wreckage. Wreckage is a noun. Wreckage is what is left of something that has been destroyed. The wreckage of the car was taken away. Now you say the word wreckage. Wreckage.